Hello everyone and welcome to this walkthrough of the new job tracker on Notion. This planner helps you save time and stay organized during your job search by centralizing everything into one interconnected system. No more scattered notes or messy files. You'll find a free starter version of the template in the video description so you can try it out right away. To begin, let's create a new contact and a new company to start tracking your applications. Go to the Network and Contacts section and click the New Page button to add a contact. You can then enter their phone number, email, website link if available, and any other useful information. On the left sidebar, you can switch between dashboards. Open the company's page and follow the same process to add the businesses you want to apply to. To get started, open the Job Applications dashboard from the main menu. From there, you can immediately add a new application to track by creating an entry in the inbox. Give it a name and set its priority level from 1 to 5. The application date will update automatically based on the day you created, though you can edit it if needed. You can also add an interview date and a deadline. For each date, you can enable the Remind option so Notion notifies you and helps you stay on track. Select a company from the existing list, or create a new one instantly by typing its name and choosing the Page Creation option. Specify the job type and add relevant keywords. You can now update the status of your application as it progresses through each step of your job search. In the Career Plan section, you have a dedicated space to define your vision and structure your professional path. At the top, a database lets you outline and organize your goals. Just below, a vision board helps you illustrate the career you want to build, making it easier to visualize your future. On the Network and Contact page, you can quickly organize your networking events. Click the button to create a new entry, which will appear in the inbox. Choose the event date and enable the Remind option if you want a notification from Notion. Assign a priority from 1 to 5, select the event category, and link it to a contact. Once the setup is complete, check the box to move it from the inbox to the main view, and remember to update its status. To share your portfolio, go to the top right corner and click on Share. From there, open the Share options and uncheck any unwanted settings. You can then copy your link and start sharing it. People can click on your personal link to view your portfolio. Make sure to manage the sharing settings properly by sharing only the resume or portfolio page without giving access to the rest of the template. In your daily process, you'll find a to-do list, a pros-cons section, and your favorite podcast, which you can embed using a link. There's also a page to store all your resources. You can quickly add notes and ideas in one click. If you open the AI prompts page, you'll get access to more than 600 prompts organized into 32 subcategories.